Wrong. You alright? You get dizzy or what?
Yeah. I found the blues are wrapped in plastic. Ugh.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Is that from you bending over or?
I went to go pick up one of the foils and it hit.
Oh yeah.
You can tell he did.
Yeah, just leave all that.
I don't want anybody.
Others. Stop right here. They're gonna come.
Let me at least get rid of those blues though. I'll take a minute and just put them for destruction. All of that stuff's already burnt. Okay, you let them know. All that stuff's all used. Okay.
You sure you're good?
Yeah, I think so. Look at this.
Show that back there.